Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 43 and teach you how to use isn't, haven't, don't, etc. It means we are going to learn how to form negative sentences in our day-to-day life. For example, we didn't play tennis. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 43. Isn't, haven't, don't, etc. in negative sentences. Section A. We use not in negative sentences. I am not tired. It isn't raining. Or it's not raining. They aren't here. Or they are not here. Julian wasn't hungry. The shops weren't open. I haven't finished my work. Sue hasn't got a car. We won't be here tomorrow. George can't drive. I couldn't sleep last night. I mustn't forget to phone Jane. You shouldn't work so hard. I wouldn't like to be an actor. Section B. Don't, doesn't, didn't. Present simple negative. I don't work. I don't leave. I don't go. We don't work. We don't leave. We don't go. You don't work. You don't leave. You don't go. They don't work. They don't leave. They don't go. He doesn't work. He doesn't leave. He doesn't go. She doesn't work. She doesn't leave. She doesn't go. It doesn't work. It doesn't leave. It doesn't go. I didn't work. I didn't leave. I didn't go. They didn't work. They didn't leave. They didn't go. He didn't work. He didn't leave. He didn't go. She didn't work. She didn't leave. She didn't go, etc. Now we are going to convert positive sentences into negative sentences. I want to go out. I don't want to go out. They work hard. They don't work hard. Lisa plays the guitar. Lisa doesn't play the guitar. My father likes his job. My father doesn't like his job. I got up early this morning. I didn't get up early this morning. They worked hard yesterday. They didn't work hard yesterday. We played tennis. We didn't play tennis. Emily had dinner with us. Emily didn't have dinner with us. Now, how to use don't? Look, don't look. Wait for me, don't wait for me. Sometimes do is the main verb. Don't do, doesn't do, didn't do. Do something. Don't do anything. Sue does a lot at weekends. Sue doesn't do much at weekends. I did what you said. I didn't do what you said. Now it's time for exercises. 43.1. Make the sentences negative. Number 1. He's gone away. He hasn't gone away. Number 2. They are married. They are not married. Number 3. I have had dinner. I haven't had dinner. Number 4. It's cold today. It's not cold today. Number 5. We'll be late. We won't be late. Number 6. You should go. You should not go. 43.2. Make the sentences negative. Use don't, doesn't, didn't. Number 1. She saw me. She didn't see me. Number 2. I like cheese. I don't like cheese. Number 3. They understood. They didn't understand. Number 4. He lives here. He doesn't live here. Number 5. Go away. Don't go away. Number 6. I did the shopping. I didn't do the shopping. 43.3. Make the sentences negative. Number 1. She can swim. She can't swim. Number 2. They've arrived. They haven't arrived. Number 3. I went to the bank. I didn't go to the bank. Number 4. He speaks German. He doesn't speak German. Number 5. We were angry. We were not angry. Number 6. He'll be pleased. He won't be pleased. Number 7. Call me tonight. Don't call me tonight. Number 8. It rained yesterday. It didn't rain yesterday. Number 9. I could hear them. I couldn't hear them. Number 10. I believe you. I don't believe you. 43.4. Complete these sentences with a negative verb. Isn't, haven't, don't, etc. Number 1. They aren't rich. They haven't got much money. Number 2. Would you like something to eat? No. Thank you. I am not hungry. Number 3. I can't find my glasses. Have you seen them? Number 4. Steve doesn't go to the cinema much. He prefers to watch DVDs at home. Number 5. We can walk to the station from here. It is not very far. Number 6. Where is Jane? I don't know. I haven't seen her today. Number 7. Be careful. Don't fall. Number 8. We went to a restaurant last night. I didn't like the food very much. Number 9. I have been to Japan many times, but I haven't been to Korea. Number 10. Julia won't be here tomorrow. She's going away. Number 11. Who broke that window? Not me. I didn't do it. Number 12. We didn't see what happened. We weren't looking at the time. Number 13. Lisa bought a new coat a few days ago, but she hasn't worn it yet. Number 14. You should not drive so fast. It's dangerous. 43.5. You ask Gary some questions. He answers yes or no. Write sentences about Gary, positive or negative. Number 1. Are you married? He isn't married. Number 2. Do you live in London? He lives in London. Number 3. Were you born in London? He was not born in London. Number 4. Do you like London? No, he doesn't like London. Number 5. Would you like to live in the country? He would like to live in the country. Number 6. Can you drive? He can drive. Number 7. Have you got a car? He hasn't got a car. Number 8. Do you read newspapers? He doesn't read newspapers. Number 9. Are you interested in politics? He is not interested in politics. Number 10. Do you watch TV most evenings? He watches TV most evenings. Number 11. Did you watch TV last night? He didn't watch TV last night. Number 12. Did you go out last night? He went out last night. This is the end of unit number 43. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 44. Till then, bye bye.